Watch Studios at the park, and today we are playing two-hand touch football with water balloons. Each team has 2 cones on either side, and we're gonna play, and it's gonna get probably messy up in here. All right, guys, let's strategize. Let's think of how we're gonna win this thing.
Let Rachel do everything.
No. D-Dog, you should be QB.
I'll QB.
Dalton is probably gonna come right for me.
Right.
He's an athlete, I'm an athlete,
We're
so stay out of his way.
Yeah, we're super tough.
Yeah.
Hey! 1, 2, 3, break.
Break.
We're already on a break?
Wait,
awesome.
wait. 1, 2, 3, Team Azul.
Oh, that is ancient Aztec for blue.
That's it.
Is it?
1, 2, 3, Team Azul!
Azul, is it? Hey! Oh! I'm blue, dabba-dee-dabba-die. Game starts now! Jada! Ah! I touched you! I got panic! No!
Yes!
No!
Get a balloon, let's go.
Hiking hot and hot. Wait! I panicked and quit. It's so good, Kennedy. She's so talented when she panics. I was right there. I don't panic.
Okay.
Get her! Oh God, I almost slipped!
And where are we going, dude? Where are we going?
We're going to Super Bowl.
We're going to Six Flags.
We're going to Six Flags.
We didn't lose in our hearts, and that's what matters. Okay.
Oh no! Ah!
I didn't do anything. Thank you, Dalton.
Jesus!
Thank you guys so much for watching. We're pocket.watch Studios. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let us know in the comments down below if you guys want to play this game with us too. And we will see you next time. Bye!